Hey, today I wanted to talk a little about our Pro-Shot Universal Kit. And what the Pro-Shot Universal Kit gives you is the whole experience of Pro-Shot. So everything from our rods, our brushes, our patches, our CLP, basically how we make cleaning faster and easier for the gun cleaning process. Everybody likes to shoot, but not everybody likes to clean. So that's where we come in and make it easier for you. On our gun cleaning rods itself, we use a American grade heat treated steel, which is micro polished and burnished, makes it totally smooth, so we build the coating into the rod manufacturing process. From that point on, we actually do precision threading and a collar. So when you screw it together, our rods do not bend, wobble, or break during use. Each one of the rods itself is a universal rod, so it doesn't matter, you can clean your pistol, rifle, and even shotgun with this. It comes with a full set of accessories, so you can use it for your rifle or pistol itself, and a multi-brush as well. One of the things Pro-Shot is well known for is our brushes. We make them 14 thousandths oversized the bore diameter, to our competitions basically smaller than the bore because they use for multiple sizes. And when ours is half worn out, as good as they are brand new. The other thing is we have a great needle oiler CLP, so it gets right into the small areas where you want to lubricate or clean. It makes it easier to put CLP in the chamber where a lot of the problems are when you're cleaning. On our gun cleaning patches, this is one of the products that we made from day one. It's our first product line. We use American-made cotton. It's grown and spun up just for us to our specification. What we do is something different than anyone else. We have a higher thread count and it's finished on both sides. What that does is give you the ability to clean faster because it traps the fouling and cleans it when it goes back and forth, and it takes less gun cleaning patches. So at the end of the day, the Pro-Shot patch makes it even faster cleaning with it. That tells you a little bit about our kits on the gun cleaning. On the adjustable torque driver kit, something new for Pro-Shot is the Borka torque adjustable kit. It goes from 10 to 70 inch-pounds. It's adjustable by individual inch-pounds. It's the only torque driver made in America. It comes with quality bits, 29 S2 bits that are also heat treated, so we have a great quality bit. The bit extensions, action bits too, comes with your cleaning rod and your bore obstruction removers, and it just makes it easy. It's a great range kit. It's compact. Comes with a great divider in here, which you can turn it into a parts tray and just make scope and range adjustments fast and easy.